Good evening, everyone. So, welcome to my YouTube channel, Maths Suffering. So, today we are going to see ninth lecture on sequence. So, let's see what we will do today. So, we are going to prove a result that is theorem. Okay. So, what is that result or theorem? You can say. So, theorem. Let n naught belongs to natural number and f f x be a function defined for all x greater than capital all x greater than n naught. Okay. Okay. Also, also let also let an be a sequence such that an is equal to fn for all n greater than capital N if limit x tending to infinity plus infinity fx is L, then an is convergent and limit of n tending to infinity an is also L. Okay. Now we will do this result. Okay. Proof. Okay. So let okay let limit x tending to infinity fx is equal to L. Then there exists capital M. Then there exists capital then given epsilon greater than 0, there exists n belongs to natural number n greater than n naught such that fx minus L is less than epsilon for all n greater than capital N. Okay. Now, now an is equal to fn for all n greater than capital N because n is greater than n naught. So this implies putting, this implies an minus L is less than epsilon for all capital N. So we have this because N is greater than capital N is greater than no, and we are taking this N small n greater than. So finally, small n is greater than N naught. And we know that for any n greater than N naught, An is Fn. That is why we can write this. So we can put, so this is actually, this is equal to, we can write here X. Okay. Now, for any n, so for any n greater than this, for any n greater than 0, this condition is satisfied. An is equal to Fn. So I can put this here. Okay. I can put here. Because, so actually, okay. So I should write one more thing here rather than writing this one. It will be more clear. So this implies, in place of X, I can write n natural number L less than epsilon for all n natural number greater than n. Now, what is this? This is An. Fn is equal to An for all n. Why? Because 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 n greater than capital N, and we know that capital N is n naught. So this implies n greater than capital N naught. Okay, and this will implies Fn is equal to An for n greater than capital N. So that is why we can write. So this implies An minus L less than epsilon for all n greater than capital N. Okay. Now what is the meaning of this? So what is the meaning of this? This is meaning that An is convergent and limit of An is equal to F. So this theorem is proved. Okay. Now